Now, I've already done question 8, the long division method. I'm going to do it again with the multiplication method. So, x squared plus ax plus b is a factor of x cubed plus q x squared plus rx plus s. Now, that's a cubic. This is a quadratic. A quadratic times one other linear factor should be equal to this. And that k there just represents the constant part of this linear factor. Okay, k can be any number at all. I'm going to multiply all this out. X cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus k x squared plus akx plus bk. And that's all equal to x cubed plus q x squared plus rx plus s. Now, x cubed, I'm just going to bring my x squared terms together because then it's easier to see the coefficients. And I'm going to do the same with my x terms. Okay, so my x cubed is here. I have my x squareds, I have my x's, and I'm just left with bk equals all the rest. Okay, now, on the x cubed, we do a little check. Left-hand side, right-hand side, the coefficients, 1 equals 1. Brilliant. Which means we can now go, that's a check, remember. We can't equate the others until we have that coefficients of x cubed the same. Now, the x squared, the coefficients of x squared on the left-hand side are a plus k, equal to coefficient of x squared on the right-hand side, that's q. Okay, sorry, I'm just after realising the right-hand side of that page is not coming into the video. Anyway, now, the x coefficients. X coefficients on the left are b plus ak equals x coefficient on the right, or, now, constants. Constants on the left, bk, equals constant on the right, s. Now, that k, we introduced that k, and because we introduced it, now we need to get rid of it. So that's always the first thing you do when you get to this point, is get rid of that that k that you introduced. I'm going to use this one to get rid of it. Okay, so that'll be k equals q minus a. And then I will replace k in the other two equations with q minus a. Here that gives us b plus a times q minus a equals r. And over here, b times q minus a equals s. Now, at this point, so I've just been doing everything on autopilot without actually looking at the question to see what they want me to do. So at this point, I look at the question. What do we want? We want r minus b equals a times q minus a. Now, there's an a times q minus a with an or. So all I have to do is bring that b over, and bang, that's what they wanted, and there it is. And that'll always happen. One of the things that you're trying to show will just fall out of this process. The second one, sometimes it'll fall out, sometimes you'll have to play around with it to get it. Okay. I didn't have to play around with anything. There it is there, sitting waiting for me. Okay, and that's that one.